Have you ever wondered if freelancing is a real career or it's just a temporary gig until you land a real job? What if I told you that freelancing isn't just an alternative to employment, but it's actually an evolution of how we work? Hey everyone, it's me Coach Z, and in this channel I share everything freelancing. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been with me for some time, thank you for staying. The world is shifting. Job security isn't what it used to be, and the way we think about work is changing fast. Let's talk about why more professionals are choosing freelancing, the good, the bad, and if it's the right path for you. Stick around as I'm gonna share with you some uncommon insights you probably haven't heard before. Companies are hiring more freelancers than ever because it's cheaper for them than full-time employment with benefits. Besides, remote work has proven that location doesn't matter. Clients just want results. So why are people choosing freelancing over the 9-to-5 job? Well, first, flexibility. Work when and where you want. But let's be real. Flexibility isn't just about freedom. It's about control. You're in charge of your income, your clients, and your schedule. Second, unlimited income potential. No salary caps. You get paid for the value that you provide, not just for showing up. Third, freedom to choose your projects. Unlike traditional jobs where your boss tells you what to do, you get to work on things that actually interest you. Next, turning your passion into profit. Ever had a skill you never thought could pay the bills? Freelancing allows you to test the market without you quitting your job. Of course, freelancing isn't all about sunshine and passive income. There are also some challenges that freelancers face. And the number one on the list is income inconsistency. There is no set paycheck, but you have to build systems so you won't live paycheck to paycheck. Well, I can personally attest to this because the reality is our income is never consistent in a way. There are months that we have higher income, we have months that we have lower income, and we even have months that we don't have income at all. That's a reality in freelancing. Next challenge is finding clients. This is what scares most people. But here's the trick. Clients don't find you. You position yourself to be found, which means hardcore marketing, networking, and making sure your work speaks for itself. Next challenge is, for some freelancers, time management. You don't have the boss, so you have to be the boss, which means setting your work hours, meeting deadlines, and just really making sure that you can manage your time, especially when you have multiple clients. Next challenge is taxes and benefits. You have no HR department to handle your healthcare, retirement, or taxes. But this also means that you can customize your benefits in ways employees can't. Here's a fresh insight for you. Instead of thinking of these challenges as downsides of freelancing, think of them as trade-offs. You give up job security, but you gain income security. Instead of working for one employer, you have multiple streams of income, which means when you lose a client, you don't lose everything. To thrive in freelancing, you need more than just a skill. You need business and financial management, understanding pricing, contracts, and not spending all your earnings at once. Next, branding and marketing. Because you're not just selling service, you're selling trust. And trust comes from visibility, reputation, and delivering results. Next is negotiation skills. Because what's your budget should never be the first question you ask. Next is adaptability. Tech changes, industries shift, and those freelancers who evolve stay in demand. Those who don't. The real key to freelancing isn't getting clients, it's keeping clients. Best freelancers are not constantly looking for new clients, but instead they make sure that their clients keep coming back or staying with them for the longest time possible. So you want to start freelancing? Here's a simple roadmap for you. First, pick a niche. Remember, generalists get ignored. Specialists get hired. So find a problem you can solve and market that. Second, build your portfolio. Show proof of your skills, even from personal projects or volunteer work. Third, set up your online presence. Start building your social media presence. Fourth, find your first clients. It could be on Facebook groups, it could be on Upwork, or it could be in your existing network. And fifth, price your services right. Don't just charge based on what feels comfortable, but base it on the outcome or results that you can provide. So here's an important tip for you. Don't start freelancing by quitting your job. Start by replacing one bill with one freelance income. It could be your rent or groceries. Then scale from there. So here's a closing thought for you. The biggest fact about freelancing is that it is risky. It really is risky. But think about this for a minute. Is it really riskier than depending on one employer for your entire income? Anyway, if you enjoyed this episode, if you learned something from this episode, give it a like, share it with someone who's thinking about freelancing, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on my next one.